We sold out of inventory in the first 2 weeks that we opened, and we're like, whoa, we need a lot more inventory.
E-scooters have become so popular. One Vancouver shop says it's surprised by how much it's selling in a day. This comes a year into a pilot project allowing the devices in some BC cities.
We didn't think we would be where we are today until about 5 years from now. So it blew our investors away and everyone kind of involved, and we went from 2 co-founders working the store to 14 staff members now.
Spence says EVs has sold thousands of e-scooters, which range in price from about $500 to $5,200 since opening just 15 months ago. He believes high gas prices are one of the reasons they're so popular.
So people just recently sell a car, they come with a wad of cash, and we tell them to deposit in the bank, come back, because we don't take cash. And yeah, it happens almost every day. We have someone telling us they sold their, and sometimes there'll be a family who sold their minivan and they're buying 4 scooters for their entire family.
But the devices aren't without risks. On Monday, Vancouver Coastal Health issued an e-scooter safety guide urging helmet use, which is legally required as more riders hit the road.
There does seem to be some risk of injury due to e-scooter use. We have data from both within British Columbia, nationally, and even around the world of different types of injury. There might be risk that's comparable or even higher to walking and riding a bicycle.
As the weather gets better, as we get more people outside, we expect to see more of these e-scooters out and about, and conflicts arise with various road users.
The City of Vancouver confirms a slight increase in e-scooter complaints since the start of the pilot, with most concerns related to sidewalk riding and high speeds.
When it comes to e-scooters, the rules are essentially the same as a bike. You can't take it on the seawall, you can't ride it on a sidewalk, you can't ride it on a major street. You can take them in bike lanes, you can take them on side streets. You can't take them over 24 kilometers an hour.
All of our staff and my fellow co-founder, every time we see someone on the sidewalk, we stop them kindly and explain why it's not good to ride on the sidewalk. And one of the big reasons, other than the pedestrian safety, is we want these things to move forward and become more legal after the pilot program.
In Vancouver, Monika Gul, City News.